Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to use multiple temporary email addresses linked to one Gmail account. This method helps you protect your main email and keep your inbox organized by using alternative addresses that all deliver messages to the same place. These alternative addresses aren't new accounts. They're simply different versions of your main Gmail address, useful for signing up on shopping sites or services that might send spam or frequent promotions. For example, if your main email is pingit867@gmail.com, you can use variations like pingit86.7@gmail.com or pingit8.67@gmail.com. All messages sent to these addresses will reach your primary inbox. To generate these variations, we'll search on Google for Mail Meteor Generator. After opening the tool, enter your Gmail address and click Generate. The tool provides 256 possible aliases, including your main address. That means you get 255 additional temporary addresses you can use anywhere. When you register on any website using one of these aliases, the activation email will still arrive in your main Gmail inbox. We tested this by sending a message from another account. And it was received immediately. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to PingLearn and enable notifications so you don't miss future lessons.